Namaste. Breathe better to live better. Did you know that breath not only gives life, but the quality of breath actually determines the quality of life? Yes. Which means if we breathe better, we will live better. The Pranayama Kosha, the energy body, the energy sheath, as Patanjali mentioned in his Patanjali Yoga Sutras, which is a seminal work as far as yoga, pranayama, etc. is concerned. He spoke about how there are 5 different bodies comprising this one being. Anamaya Kosha, Pranayama Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Anandamaya Kosha, not necessarily the same order. We all pay attention to our Manomaya Kosha, the mental or the emotional body, and the physical body, the Anamaya Kosha. But very rarely do we pay enough attention to our Pranayama Kosha. The Pranayama Kosha, in a sense, is the one aspect of our being which is the most neglected, because we really do not know how to optimize our energy system. We have very little understanding, or we have very little appreciation of how the whole system works. In the Western understanding, breath is, we inhale, breath comes to our lungs, it is exchanged for carbon dioxide from the blood, and then pumped to the rest of the body. And that's the limited understanding. But in the East, we understand that it's life force. Life force means that which brings life. If there is no breath, if you stop breathing, life ends. You can pump as much oxygen you want as you like into a body, into a dead body. It will not come alive. If the body is dead, if a person is not breathing normally, you can pump as much oxygen as you like. It's not really going to help too much. Nowadays, of course, they have this artificial respiration and so on, and they seem to keep bodies going for some time. Maybe there is some effect there, but basically, it's only when we breathe and breathe fully that the life force continues inside us. So we know a lot of things, we do a lot of things to improve the quality of our physical health, but we know very little about how to do, what to do to improve our energy body, the Pranayama Kosha. Pranayama, different kinds of breathwork techniques help. We need different kinds of food, we need different kinds of water to sustain our physical body. But we become used to breathing in a certain way, in a very limited way. And that is how we continue to breathe most of our lives. And then it starts affecting the quality of our health. Some pranayama is something everybody must do regularly. Hanuman Master Breath and the Lotus Opening Program are central to making huge and unmatched improvements in the quality of your breath, and therefore the quality of your energy. Simply by breathing better, one can improve the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health many times over. There's a short list of ailments, diseases, and conditions where improvements have been seen in my life personally. High BP, hemorrhoids, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, ED, erectile dysfunction, PE, premature ejaculation, indigestion, gastritis, constipation, sore throat, acid reflux, headaches, fibromyalgia, sciatica, various other aches and pains, fatigue, depression, and innumerable other small conditions. I have personally gained from all of these simply with the power of breath. And after having smoked 40 cigarettes a day for as much as 20 years, and having been a smoker for a total of over 40 years, today actually I can say with complete honesty that I breathe better than I did 30 years ago. And I'm on 0 medication. I don't need medication for high BP or for any of the other ailments that I have described here. Though my doctor prescribed certain injections, etc. for my COPD, etc. But breath work alone keeps me going. Relaxed, easy belly breathing is a great start. And learning how to allow the belly to be relaxed so that it automatically goes out when we breathe in, goes in when we breathe out, automatically without forcing it. That's an important part of one's method of breathing. It should be learned by everybody. Then there is a technique called the Shwas Ko Shuddhi Kriya, which I teach for free online and with S. Vyasa, the very well-known yoga university in Bangalore. And we do these courses regularly, usually 3-day short courses. They help to cleanse the lungs and the nadis so that the quality of breath starts improving. And everybody should take advantage of this. It's a free course, there are no charges, and everyone is welcome. There are also many videos that have been posted online for different courses. You can go and watch the whole series. Each time there are 3 videos at least. Earlier there used to be 10, but we've condensed the program so that it's more easily understood and followed. So please follow this. My next video on breath will be on a similar topic. Why must we breathe better? I'll talk in a little more detail over there. Thank you. Namaste.